So this is day 6, and
it's COVID times.
yeah, it's a bit of a ghost town.
And the creek is still here.
And this is not where we left off last time. We'll be walking upstream, and let's see if we can make our way to where we ended our walk last time.
Paul hasn't had a haircut in months.
Yeah, the whole COVID situation has prevented me from going to the barber.
She's extra fluffy. Wow, the creek is here. There's a phone number. And many different groups.
Ah, the Black Creek Conservation Project of Toronto.
I think we're part of it. Eco Action.
I remember doing research on this project online, and I found their website, and I sent them an email, but they didn't respond. And so
Now you have a phone
I
number.
think this whole area has been worked on in the past, but not in the recent past. Like I think in the 90s they did a lot of work here, planting trees, building birdhouses. And then since then they've kind of left it to do its thing. Yeah, so we can see a nice diversity of trees here.
Cedar,
Pine,
sumac, dogwood.
and many that we don't know the names of.
It's a relief to be on a path.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this is the first section of the creek that's actually been designed to be walked along that we've walked so far.
It almost feels like we're out on a nice outing. But not for long. There's a big turn here and another fence.
Beyond the fence is Pioneer Village.
Since her comfort zone in terms of hopping fences.
Because then we could actually have a day at the Pioneer Village
Which is
and
lovely.
actually speak to people who work there and ask them about their relationship to the creek.
Yeah, I do love that vision. We could try to email someone and see if they would let us in just for a interview in the meantime. I'm sure they're not doing very much. But it's probably unlikely.
So, this walk might be a little bit less interesting than previous walks because this is pretty much it. That's what we're gonna see. I mean, it's really good. Nature, nice walking path. But I think it's gonna be like this for the whole walk.
It could be it could be an interesting model for what we hope to see in other places.
Yeah.
Wow, it's magnificent.
It's definitely different than the perfectly straight creek that we've seen in previous walks.
It's such a bend. Oh, it's beautiful. I just wish there wasn't garbage.
Little flowers.
Oh, flowers! They're all over the place. You see them?
They're all over.
all over the
The
place.
camera probably can't see that, but
Look, there's a nest up there of some sort.
there's some ducks.
Yeehaw! I'm gonna want to turn. That's fun.
We should probably say not to try that at home.
Trust the body. Mr. Parents.
If you're someone like me and you have a lot of experience with falling and being able to fall without hurting yourself, give that a shot.
So I noticed that there wasn't much garbage around here, and I thought, first of all, it must be because it's a place where we have benches and people like to appreciate it, and they might be more inclined to pick up garbage when it's a place where they like to be. And then also I realized there are recycling and garbage bins, and I imagine that where those are, people are likely to use them and not litter things on the ground. So maybe we need to get some recycling and litter bins for other parts of the creek. Twice now we've gone to the Lavender Creek with a big garbage bag and we've filled it up, and it takes like 20 minutes to fill it up. And so we're
Because
thinking,
there's garbage everywhere. You don't
yeah,
have to spend very much time looking for garbage.
and some things are big. We've got like how many pairs of boots last time?
There were 2 pairs of boots
They're covered in moss,
covered in moss. There was a VHS tape.
a VHS tape, many plastic bottles. Encourage you, if you're finding yourself with nothing better to do, take a garbage bag, go out with a friend. In a matter of minutes, you'll have a full bag. Do it once a week. We'll have a clean creek by next year.
This is fun. Look at this.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful terraced garden on this hill.
This looks like something I would have seen in New Zealand. Look, they've got like a mandala garden.
This is so cool. Well, this walk has been just joyful. Just when we thought it couldn't get better, this garden just popped up.
Hey, keeps on getting
Keeps on
getting better.
This trail is called the Huron-Wendat Trail.
Holy smokes! And there's some symbolism on here. We've got a beaver and a dam over water.
And a sweetgrass circle.
Oh, it's great! And there's like those snowshoes. No.
And a canoe with animals on
There's
it.
geese. There's a bear. Better?
Look at this.
Easter is near. Along the stretch of path are 20 hidden Easter eggs. Search for them as you go, but leave them behind for others to enjoy and don't touch them. Happy Easter! Oh my goodness, there's a real community around here. This is what could happen.
This is amazing. It's amazing to think that just a few kilometers upstream is that huge pile of rubble that we saw.
This water has gone through there today.
Yeah.
My first dandelions! The first dandelions of the season! I don't think I've seen any dandelions yet. Have you?
No. Remember the dandelions from day 1 of the Black Creek Walk?
I do. I rolled around in them.
That was last year.